Hey, you. Over here. Not the cat. Me. Yeah. Over here. Me. Do you want to see my house? It's so cool. I just made it. Here, let me get down. I'll show you. Alright. Make sure you don't tell anyone about my house, okay? It's top secret. There's even a secret code for guests to come in. Here, let's go through the back and I'll show you some other stuff first. Yeah, over here. Yep. Whoa! Hey! My order came online! My staff is here! Whoa! Let me check it out first. It looks good! I'm so happy! Oh, yeah. About the tour. You go through the front and I'll go through the back. Don't forget to use that code I gave you. Alright. You here now? Good. This is my home. As you can see, I have all the latest state-of-the-art equipment. From my coffee machine to my computerized refrigerator over there. This is where I eat all my meals to stay strong and be ready to fight the day. Want to see the best part of my kitchen? Yeah, it's this. This is my pride and joy. My ice cream refrigerator. Do not touch my ice cream. Got that? Good. Alright, I'll show you the rest of the house. Well, you saw the inside, but I've got one more special room I want you to see. But make sure you don't tell anyone else, okay? Got it? Alright, good. Let's go. It's right around the corner. It's the special room. My secret office. Here it is. Let's go check it out. This is the room where I do all my important work. Here's my trophy from my awards. And, oh, that's my stash of cookies. Forget you saw that. Well, you must be wondering how someone like me even has time to rest. But I do sometimes. It's up here, in my state-of-the-art rooftop bed. Isn't it cool? Well, I think you've seen enough of my house. Don't forget to keep it a secret. See you next time. Bye.
Well, that's the end for the tour. Join us next time for another video. Don't forget to press like and subscribe.
Do you still have the code that Monkie Kid gave you to get into his house? Use it next time when joining him on his adventures. Bye!